Welcome back to the DollFace Glam TV. If you clicked on this video, that means you would like to know how I got my brushes from this to this right here. Keep on watching for the details on how I did it. So the first things you're going to need is a towel, your makeup brushes, a clean cup of water, your makeup brush cleanser, and an empty cup. So the brush cleanser that I love to use is by Cinema Secrets. You can get this for like $11 and it's from Walmart and Sephora. I will put the link in the description below so you all can go out and buy it. So next I'm going to just spread out the towel evenly on the table, and I'm going to put my cups and my brush cleanser on top of the towel because I'm going to be using a lot of water and the brush cleanser, so I don't want my table to get all messy. So for right here, I'm going to be mixing the brush cleanser into the empty cup. Not all of it, just like a nice size amount where I can get the brushes into the cleanser. Then I'm going to pick up my brushes and I'm going to dip all of them into the clean water so they can get wet. You don't want to just start off with dry brushes. You want to like make them a little wet. So now I'm going to take my towel. I'm just going to like dry off some of the water just so they can be damp and not soaking wet. So then I'm going to take one of my brushes and I'm going to dip it into the brush cleanser, and then I'm going to just take some of that excess off on the side. And here I'm going in circular motions onto the table. I'm sorry if my camera is shaking. The table was shaking at the same time. So anyway, so I'm just going to keep doing that, just keep dipping the brush into the cleanser. And as you can see right here, the makeup is coming off and now the brush is starting to be clean, but we're still going to go in those circular motions. As you can see, it doesn't take that long to clean it either. I should have put the brush in front of the camera so you all can see the difference, but I'll do that at the end of the video. So I'm just going to keep doing that with the rest of the brushes, and I'm going to let you all see the results at the end. I've been waiting for you. Okay, so here is the finished result. As you can see, the brushes look a lot cleaner than before. They are very soft. They feel brand new to me. I really like this product because now my brushes will dry a lot faster than what I used to use. I used to use like dish soap, but I use this now. So now I'm going to clean a couple of my eyeshadow brushes that I use for my Pride look. Okay, as you guys can see now, my brushes are squeaky clean. They look brand new. All the color is gone, and now I'm going to clean a couple of my makeup sponges. Now this method is going to be a lot different from the way I use with the towel, so just keep on watching. So for this method, I usually dip the makeup sponge into the clean water, and then I would dip it into the brush cleanser, and I would keep like dipping it back in, squeezing it, dipping it, squeezing it. But I noticed that I didn't have one of the products that I usually use during this, so I'm going to go get that now. Okay, I have the dish soap. So now when I clean my sponges, I use the dish soap and the cleanser together, but I still use that same motion. Dip, squeeze, and it's kind of like a little harder cleaning sponges because there's so much makeup like built into them, because sponges soak up water and they just soak up moisture. But as you can see from doing those motions, the sponge looks a lot cleaner. It still has a few spots on them, but it does look a lot cleaner than before. I went ahead and did the rest of my sponges off camera, but as you can see, they're very clean. That will be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment under this video, and I would hope to see you on my next one. Bye!